Hello students, welcome back to the continuation video of chapter 6, that is algebraic expressions and identities. In the previous video we had solved master station questions from 1 through 6. In this video we are going to solve questions 7 through 12. The seventh question is, find the area of square with side 5x plus 6y. The solution is, it's given that the side of square is equal to 5x plus 6y. We need to find the area of the square. We know that area of square is equal to side square. We know the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let's solve it using this identity. So area is equal to 5x plus 6y whole square. Let's expand the bracket. 5x plus 6y whole square is equal to 5x square plus 2 into 5x into 6y plus 6y square, that is 25x square plus 60xy plus 36y square. Hence the area of the square is 25x square plus 60xy plus 36y square. Question 8 is, calculate the volume of a cuboidal box whose dimensions are 6m by 7m square by 8mn. The solution is, the given dimensions of cuboidal box are 6m, 7m square, 8mn. We need to find the volume of the cuboid. We know that the volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. L is 6m, B is 7m square, and H is 8mn here. So the volume is equal to 6m into 7m square into 8mn. That is 336 m to the power of 4n. Hence the volume of the cuboidal box is 336 m to the power of 4n. The ninth question is, what will be the area of a rectangle with dimensions ab plus 3b square and 4a square plus 2ab if a is equal to 5 units and b is equal to 10 units? The solution is, we are given that the length of the rectangle is equal to ab plus 3b square and breadth of the rectangle is equal to 4a square plus 2ab. We are given the values a is equal to 5 units and b is equal to 10 units. So now let's replace the variables with their respective values. L is equal to 5 into 10 plus 3 into 10 square. That is 50 plus 300, which is equal to 350 units. B is equal to 4 into 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 10. That is 100 plus 100. So B is equal to 200 units. We know that the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So area is equal to 350 into 200. That is 70,000 square units. Hence, the area of the rectangle is 70,000 square units. The 10th question is, what should be added to 4c into minus a plus b plus c to obtain 3a into a plus b plus c minus 2b into a minus b plus c? The solution is, we are given two expressions. Let's assume these expressions to be x and y. So x is equal to 4c into minus a plus b plus c. Y is equal to 3a into a plus b plus c minus 2b into a minus b plus c. Z is equal to what should be added? We need to add z to x to obtain y, which is x plus z is equal to y. Z is equal to y minus x. Let's replace the variables with the given expressions. So z is equal to 3a into a plus b plus c minus 2b into a minus b plus c minus 4c into minus a plus b plus c. Now let's expand the brackets and write z is equal to 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac minus 2ab plus 2b square minus 2bc minus minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square. So z is equal to 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac minus 2ab plus 2b square minus 2bc plus 4ac minus 4bc minus 4c square. Group the like terms and write z is equal to 3a square plus 2b square minus 4c square plus 3ab minus 2ab plus 3ac plus 4ac minus 2bc minus 4bc. So z is equal to 3a square plus 2b square minus 4c square plus ab plus 7ac minus 6bc. Hence 3a square plus 2b square minus 4c square plus ab plus 7ac minus 6bc must be added. 11th question is subtract p into p square plus p minus 7 plus 5 from 3p square minus 8 and find the value of expression obtained for p equal to minus 3. The solution is we need to subtract p into p square plus p minus 7 plus 5 from 3p square minus 8. Let's arrange the expressions using horizontal method. So that's 3p square minus 8 minus p into p square plus p minus 7 plus 5. That is 3p square minus 8 minus p cube plus p square minus 7p plus 5. Now let's expand the brackets and write 3p square minus 8 minus p cube minus p square plus 7p minus 5. Now let's group the like terms. Minus p cube plus 3p square minus p square plus 7p minus 8 minus 5. So that is minus p cube plus 2p square plus 7p minus 13. We have to find the value of the resultant expression for p is equal to minus 3. So let's replace p with minus 3. So that is minus into minus 3 cube plus 2 into minus 3 square plus 7 into minus 3 minus 13 that equal to minus into minus 27 plus 2 into 9 minus 21 minus 13 that equal to 27 plus 18 minus 34 that is 45 minus 34 which is equal to 11. Hence the value of the expression for p equal to minus 3 is 11. 12th question is the area of a rectangle is PQ, where P and Q are its length and breadth respectively. If the length is increased by 6 units and breadth is decreased by 2 units, find the new area. The solution is we are given that the area of rectangle is equal to PQ, length is equal to P, and breadth is equal to Q. We are also given that the length is increased by 6 units, that is, new length L is equal to old length, which is P plus 6. Similarly, the breadth is decreased by 2 units, that is, new breadth B is equal to old breadth, which is Q minus 2. We need to find the new area. We know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Substituting the new dimensions, we get new area is equal to P plus 6 into Q minus 2. Now let's expand the brackets and write new area is equal to PQ minus 2P plus 6Q minus 12. Hence, the new area of the rectangle is PQ minus 2P plus 6Q minus 12.